everyone, I'm Melissa and you're watching Designing with Decals. Today I want to show you a little bit more about our EasyPSV removable vinyl. This is an adhesive vinyl and I love it because it's got a beautiful rich matte color, and I use it on everything in my office, in my home, not just walls. I'll decorate picture frames, notebooks, things like that, and the best part is you can remove it later. Have you noticed these handy grid lines on the back of our EasyPSV? This makes it very easy when lining up onto your cutting mat to ensure that your graphics are straight. Because when we go to apply the application tape on top of your decal, it's going to make sure that your graphics remain straight. So you see I am putting this face up. We're going to load this into the machine. And we're ready to go. So we've got our cut decals now, so we're going to go ahead and weed this out with our handy weeder. So I usually start at the corner, one of the corners here, and just gently peel it back. Now this removable PSV is available in 26 beautiful matte colors. So you see it's going to be a two-color design. We have our pistachio and our green tea, and we're going to be decorating this little picture frame today. So now we need to cut out our application tape. I'll usually make a little mark in one of the grids. See how I just poked a little hole right here? So when we put this on top, we can at least see where our markers are. So we've got our graphics masked, and now we're ready to apply them to our little picture frame here. So when you peel the tape off, now we've exposed our adhesive. And this is what I love about our clear application tape, is I can see my substrate behind it. So we got our first color on there. Now we're going to do the second color. So that's it. Super cute DIY interior decor that only cost pennies to make. I mean, I probably used less than a quarter of my sheet, and the best part is I could peel it off later and redecorate it with something completely new. EasyPSV Removable lasts for about 2 to 3 years, but we do not recommend it for washables. So do not put it on vehicle decals, cups, mugs, or anything that you plan on washing. So we use it for interior decoration or maybe short-term outdoor decorations as well. It comes in 26 beautiful matte colors, and don't forget, you can remove it and decorate your stuff later. Thank you so much for tuning in today with Designing with Decals. I'm Melissa with Siser North America. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and we will see you next time.